Yeah, so now we have the two little eye stalks there.
It's so interesting though, you know, so he makes certain things and you make certain things, and it's so interesting, you know, we make stuff like that, you know. What is that thing right there in the middle?
That?
Yeah.
That's our, so that's a stove for when it gets cold in here. The forge actually does not throw off a ton of heat. So it can still be pretty darn chilly in here during the winter. Like last time, actually, so this past year, we have an event called Home for the Holidays where we're here in December. And it was like -12, I think. It was terrible. It was freezing, so we had that thing going. But even then, it wasn't throwing off much heat, and we were freezing to death in here. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna cool off this eye stock, so get those.
Yeah, we get the joy of at least having an open door so we get some breeze from the sunshine.
Yeah.
Come summer, it'll be a lot more comfortable when it gets
Yeah,
hot to have that cross breeze.
Uh-huh.
When I was a historic blacksmith on the other side of the state, my shop was basically oriented this way, and the doors were on the wide side, and there was no cross breeze.
Oh,
So
wow.
it was in the Mississippi Valley, dark black building, brown paint, just baking hot.
Oh, wow.
I'd come out there, and it was like 97 outside. I'd come outside and under a tree and get a little bit of a breeze and feel like air conditioning because it was so toasty in the building.
Whoa. That's not good. Ugh.
There's lots of guys that are like, oh, you look like you need a cold drink. I'm like, I need a cold, forced trough.
Yeah, you go red, yep.
I was like, it's toasty in here.
Uh-huh.
Don't burn myself there. There's a little snail guy. Nice and cool.
Nicely